नगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल डोंबिवली लोकमान्य गुरुकुल इंग्लिश बालभारती स्टैंडर्ड 5 यूनिट 2 लेसन नंबर 9 द ट्राई एंटी वॉन्टी गोंगो लोप. There's a very funny insect that you often do not spy, and it isn't a spider and it isn't quite a fly. It is something like a beetle and a little like a bee, but nothing like a woolly grub that climbs upon a tree. Its name is quite a hard one, but you'll learn it soon, I hope. So try anti, wanty, gongo, lope. Okay, so poet says it's a very funny insect that you do not often spy. Spy means that you do not often see. It's a very funny insect. एकदम असं विचित्रच दिसतं. Funny means विचित्र. And it isn't quite a spider and it isn't quite a fly. Now look at it. It's got legs of a spider and it's got these wings of the fly. Okay. But तो धड़ स्पाइडर ही नहीं है आणि धड़ फ्लाई हाउस फ्लाई नहीं है. It is something like a beetle and little like a bee. It is something like a beetle means it's got those hard wings. See, these wings are like a beetle and this body is like a bee, a honey bee's body. But nothing like a woolly grub that climbs upon a tree. A woolly grub is that insect, the big long insect that you see on the trees with lots of hair on its body. Its name is quite a hard one, but you will learn it soon, I hope. Okay, now this insect, it's got a very funny name also. And it's quite a hard name. So, let's all try. It's the try, anti, wanty, gongo, lope. Okay, now see the face, it's so funny. This face looks like a fly, but then it's got hair over here. And the nose, it's not of a fly. So it's a very funny insect with a mixture of all different types of insects and animals. It lives on bees and battle gum and has a funny face. Okay, it lives on bees means it lives on those trees, the small plants that grow along the side of the road. And battle gum means the gum that comes out of trees. झाडातनं जे लाख निघते ते अशी गम सारखी जी वस्तू निघते त्याच्यात ते खातं ते. And has a funny face. Its appetite is hearty. Oh God, hearty means it can really eat a lot. Okay, and its manners a disgrace. Disgrace means it eats so in such a dirty way. It's got such dirty manners. It is not clean. It doesn't look clean. It doesn't keep itself clean. It goes and sits on all the dirty places and all. When you first come upon it, it will give you quite a scare. If you are going to see it for the first time, you are going to shout. Because it's obviously it looks so different. No, it's a mixture of so many insects. But when you look for it again, you find it isn't there. But when you start looking for it again, like where is it? Let me see what that insect exactly is. You won't find it also. But unless you call it softly, it will stay away and mope. But if you want to see it again, you'll have to call it very softly and lovingly. Otherwise, this insect, it's going to stay in one corner and it's going to mope. Mope means it's going to cry. And how will you call it? You will call it try, anti, wanty, gongo, lope. You've got to call it very softly and very lovingly. It trembles if you tickle it or tread upon its toe. Okay, it's not an early riser but has a snubbish nose. If you sneer at it or scold it, it will scuttle off in shame. But it purrs and purrs quite proudly if you call it by its name. And offer it some sandwiches of sealing wax and soap. Okay. So, it trembles or if you tickle it or tread upon its toes. If you're going to tickle it, tickle means if त्याची गुदगुदली करणार असाल, or by mistake if you stamp upon it, you tread means you त्याच्यावर पाय दिलात तर it will start trembling. तो कापायला लागतो तो. Okay, it is not an early riser. Early riser means तुम्हाला सकाळी लवकर दिसणार नाही. But it has a snubbish nose अ स्नबिश नोज मतलब म्हणजे त्याला कोणी सांगितलं की हां तर ही वस्तू तर संध्याकाळीच दिसेल, ही कीड जो आहे तो संध्याकाळीच दिसेल, तर त्याला खूप असं वाईट वाटेल. ओके. इफ यू स्निअर इट और स्कोल्ड इट. स्निअर मीन्स इफ यू गिव्ह इट अ बॅड फेस, त्याला बघून असं तोंड वाकडं केलं किंवा त्याला ओरडलं हे काय, so it will scuttle off in shame. Okay, this thing, it will just go away, it will just fly away somewhere, but it purrs and purrs quite proudly if you call it by its name. But when you see it coming and if you say try and T1T gangolop, it will come and it will sit and तो तुमच्याशी असं लाडात येणार. And offer it some sandwiches of sealing wax and soap. And what does this try and T1T eat? It eats sealing wax and soap. Sealing wax is the luck. You must have seen in movies and all when the government असं सील लावतं, ते टाळ्यावरती असं लाल कलरचं असं सील लावतं. That is called sealing wax. Sealing wax and soap. But of course you haven't seen it, and I truthfully confess. पण आता कवी म्हणतो की of course you haven't seen it. तुम्ही असलं कसलंही विचित्र प्राणी बघितलाच नसाल का? I truly confess that I haven't seen it either and I don't know its address. कवी म्हणतो मी बघितलं नाही आणि मला त्याचा ॲड्रेसही नाही माहीत. For the reason such an insect, though there really might have been. कारण असं कसलंही एक इन्सेक्ट नाही आहे, एक कीड असं नाहीच आहे, किडा. ओके, कदाचित असू शकला असता. there really might have been, असू शकला असता कधी. If trees and grass were purple and the sky was bottle green. तर कधी कोणत्या काळात जर झाडे आणि गवत पर्पल रंगाचे झाले, जांभळ्या रंगाच्या, आणि the sky becomes bottle green, then we can hope to see such an insect. It's just a little joke of mine which you will forgive, I hope. Is it this insect and this making up of this insect? I have just made a joke. Okay, I just made a joke with you, so I hope you don't mind. Now see, these are some of the funny insects that you can find. See, this is a mixture of a kangaroo and a gorilla. The second one, this is a mixture of a tiger and a tiger. The faces of a fox and the ears are of a rabbit. See, this is a crow with a dog face. This is a duck and the faces of these wings, the black wings are of the crow and the faces of a rat. This is a swan with an horse face. Okay. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the poem.